So this project is going to be chopping down this big old tree, and I'm going to tell you why this tree is being chopped down later on in this video. So welcome guys back to the channel, and welcome back for another good video. Today's gonna be a different video, guys. We're actually getting ready to chop down this big tree here. So you guys know that I have a really small garage over here. So eventually the game plan is, and I gotta take baby steps. So I try to do little stuff as I save my money up, and we do little pieces of our project. So this project is gonna be chopping down this big old tree, and I'm gonna Alright, so you guys see this tree is a huge old tree, but the first thing what the faller needs to do is, it's a lot of branches and a lot of overhang, so we need to get this tree chopped down, but he'll do most of the big branches first, and I'll be taking this stuff out to the street here, and whatever they don't blow it off. But this tree is actually gets so big, you see my power lines here, and these power lines is kind of like in the way. So the main purpose of us getting this tree down is because eventually we're going to make a pad over here. This is where I always wanted to have I guess you could say my dream garage. It's going to be a nice sized garage over there, so I'm trying to prep so we can make our way over there. See, I already got lower half of that tree down. We got, like I said, we have a line over here. I guess he's gonna climb up the tree, tie a rope off to that limb right there. We're gonna have to pull it towards us to keep it away from that power line. But they've already been working on this for about 30 minutes now, and they got most of the bottom half down. So what I'm doing is I got my saw, and I'm trying to chop them up, and I'm taking them out to the road there. So it's a process. Try to stay out these guys' way, but he done a lot. Heck, he almost got it done already. I tell you what, boy. The tree looked different with all those limbs off of it.